In this lesson, we're going to look at how to use Setapp, which is a service that provides access to over 240 apps for Mac and iOS. Setapp costs $10 a month for Mac-only apps and $12.49 a month for Mac and iOS apps. With the link you see below, or by going to themacu.com/setapp trial, you can extend the free trial period for Setapp from 7 to 30 days. This provides a lot of time to try a wide variety of the available apps and decide if Setapp is something you want to keep. To get started with Setapp, you'll need to download the Setapp app to your Mac. From here, we can browse and download any of the Mac apps available within Setapp. Click on an app to view more details about it and see screenshots, very much like on the App Store. Unlike the App Store though, with Setapp you're going to have access to the full app, not the free or light version. Click Install to download the app. We can see what apps we have installed from Setapp from the On This Mac section here in the sidebar, or we can go to the Setapp folder that is now within my Applications folder. These apps can be launched from here in the Finder or added to the dock, just like any other app. We can also launch directly from Setapp. If there's an app here that you no longer need or want, it can quickly be uninstalled from Setapp as well. Move into the All Apps section, and we can see just how many apps are available here within Setapp. Click here to filter only iOS apps. iOS apps can only be downloaded from Apple's App Store. So Setapp and the developers they partner with had to get creative for these to work with a Setapp membership. Let's take a look at Paste. I already have the Mac version of this installed, and by the way, it's a great app and one that I use daily. It also has an iOS version. Click Get iOS App, and we can then use QR codes to both download the app and then activate its full version. The first one brings us to the App Store listing for Paste. Notice that it has an in-app purchase, which in this case is a $30 a year subscription for the full version. With Setapp, we don't need that. Just download the app to your device, and then we can use this second QR code to access the full version of Paste. With a Setapp subscription ranging between about $120 to $180 a year, you're not going to need to use many more than 5 to 8 Setapp apps to easily cover that cost. Just my Setapp favorites would come to $234 in the first year if purchased separately. With Setapp, I'm saving about $84 just with these 7 apps. So click the link below or head to themacu.com/setapp trial to give any of the apps available in Setapp a try for 30 days completely free, and see if it can be as great a value to you as it has been for me. We'll be adding lessons on apps that I use from Setapp to this page, themacu.com/setapp. Thanks for watching.